Next project. That's always nice when your things fall apart. What's so good when we bought it? So it's falling apart. So I bought some contact cement. I'm gonna pull the whole thing apart and see if I could put some cement on the side. What's killing me is the microphone hitting into my clothes. So I apologize. Did I tell you this stuff's very sharp too? I should wear gloves. I should have worn gloves. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna see if I can pull this off. I have a thing that I use for like my car, for like the panels on the car. I'm gonna see if I can get like a thin knife between that and pull it all off. Let's see. There's one. I don't want to rip this. Hold on. I'm making a video. I want to try to take the bottom off. Oh, kind of took itself off. Then I'd love to apply like a thin uniform layer, but I really can't. Let's see. Not too bad. The main thing is the edge here, huh? Alrighty, it's now about 3:15, it's 15 minutes later. Let me see if this is dry. It should be dryish. Yeah, all right. All right, so I'm gonna, let's see. I guess I'll do this side first. What's the difference? I'm just gonna go bottom to top. Okay, now I have this roller. I'm going to try to use this to apply pressure. I'll be able to do this a lot better when I can lift this up. All right, this is the side against the wall, so it doesn't matter that much. Those two are the important ones, the bottom, and this one's the outside. All right. Okay, good. This is actually to apply glue for woodworking projects, but I think it could apply kind of even pressure, potentially, better than me pushing with my hands. All right, last one. This is the more important side, so I think I might lift this up. It'll also put some stress on the bottom. It'll put some weight across the bottom. Okay. sound right. I don't have to go crazy. Well, I hope that works for a while. Like a couple months. I don't know how long that's gonna stay like that. What I do know is I'm gonna get gloves. Put this. That's it. I don't care about like stuff like this. It was like that, but like I said, it lasts a couple of years. I'm happy. All right, much better than it was. Hope it holds.